Legal dictation for various court exam at the speed of 110 words per minute. Get ready. Start. By the order dated 17/8/2018, the special leave petition challenging the judgment dated 20/4/2018 of the Lucknow bench of the Allahabad High Court, filed by Keshav Ram and Ram Kuber, was dismissed, albeit in the case of co-accused Satyadev alias Bhure, notice was issued on the plea of juvenility. The impugned judgment had confirmed the conviction of Keshav Ram, Ram Kuber, and Satyadev by the trial court in FIR number 156/1981 dated 11/12/1981. Police Station Gilola, District Bahraich, Uttar Pradesh, for the offence under Section 302 read with Section 34 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 (IPC for short), and the order of sentence directing them to undergo imprisonment for life stop para. Pursuant to the directions, the first additional district and sessions judge, Bahraich, Uttar Pradesh, has conducted an inquiry and submitted the report dated 6/3/2020. As per the report, the date of birth of Satyadev is 15/4/1965. Accordingly, he was 16 years, 7 months, and 26 days of age on the date of commission of the offence, that is 11/12/1981 stop para. In this case, three laws are involved. One is Juvenile Justice Act 1986, Juvenile Justice Act 2000, and Juvenile Justice (Care and Protection) Act of 2015. Juvenile under the 1986 Act was defined as a person below 16 years in case of a boy and below 18 years in case of a girl on the date the boy or girl is brought for first appearance before the court or the competent authority. The 2000 Act did not distinguish between a boy or girl, and a person under the age of 18 years is a juvenile. Further, under the 2000 Act, the age on the date of commission of the offence is the determining factor stop para. Taking note of this legal provisions, the bench observed that this court at this stage can decide and determine the question of juvenility of Satyadev, notwithstanding the fact that Satyadev was not entitled to the benefit of being a juvenile on the date of the offence under the 1986 Act and had turned an adult when the 2000 Act was enforced. As Satyadev was less than 18 years of age on the date of commission of offence on 11/12/1981, he is entitled to be treated as juvenile and be given benefit as per the 2000 Act stop para. We uphold the conviction of Satyadev. We would set aside the sentence of life imprisonment. We would remit the matter to the jurisdiction of the board for passing appropriate order/directions under Section 15 of the 2000 Act, including the question of determination and payment of appropriate quantum of fine and the compensation to be awarded to the family of the deceased. We make no affirmative or negative comments either way on the order/direction under Section 15 of the 2000 Act. We would accordingly direct the jail authorities to produce Satyadev before the board within 7 days from the date of receipt of a copy of this judgment. The board shall then pass appropriate order regarding detention and custody and proceed thereafter to pass order/directions under the 2000 Act stop. Hope you like the dictation. If you like the dictation, please like, subscribe, share with others, press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.